Good morning, everyone. It's February 14th. We've got the morning market rundown here. Let's dive into this. So the SPY just ripped up yesterday. We could see we gapped up. The situation one. I don't know if we have the annotations anymore. I think I was doing some work last night and deleted them again. So we don't have the annotations from yesterday's video, but we got that situation where we ripped up, reclaimed the VWAP, rallied up. Earlier in the week, we talked about reclaiming that 604.90 area, and price came down to 604.99. So we reclaimed 604.99, rallied back above. We dive this into the 2-minute time frame. You could see here, if you shorted on the breakdown of the VWAP, it came right into the week to date VWAP. You got your big U, little U, break above VWAP, trade into a high a day, rejected, tagged the VWAP, rejected, reclaimed that high a day VWAP. We see that's where I actually took a trade here with the stop under there to trade it back into, it was daily R2, 608. So we got here, the pivot points come up, the 608 area, and we got that continuation. So we'll see today for potential situation. We'll see if price wants to do something like this today. Maybe we get a little bit of profit taking, one of those shakeouts that we had yesterday into that 2-day VWAP, rally back above to that daily VWAP, and get going. So that daily VWAP at this point would maybe be something like this. So we could see maybe something like that play out, where we take this over here now and move it into the pre-market. So maybe we got that already in the pre-market where it pulled back here, or maybe it wants to get a little bit lower up in here, get this daily VWAP, and then we'd be looking, get back above that daily VWAP, and then potentially see something like this for the day. This next situation we would see is, now that we break into this pre-market high, ideally reclaim that pre-market high, aftermarket area, and then that would be our fuel for a continued upside move. So that's what I'll be watching for today on the SPY. Got the QQQ here. You can see here we're almost rallied into a new all-time high. We rallied into a new high for the year. And let's take this pre-market data off and just dive into the QQQ quickly. And we could potentially see, maybe look for the same concept, pull back to that 2-day VWAP, get back above, and then use that energy to get going here. So we could see here, again, just like on the SPY, maybe we're getting that, or we kind of get back above that daily VWAP, reject it, tag a little bit lower, and then ideally reclaim that 535 and get going. So just be mindful of that VWAP being outlined in the sand here. Take the daily VWAP dash. So potentially look something like that. Or we rally up to that pre-market high, reclaim it, and then get going for a push to 540 and a new all-time high. So these are the potential scenarios I'll be watching for today. Hopefully this was helpful. If you like this kind of analysis, please like and subscribe.